for you. Going to the moon. And I see
Hey, it's Cool Card and I'm back again with, you know what, another episode of All Cool Stuff. What's up, y'all? I have some Bluetooth wireless earpods, and we can call them zero-tone AirPods because they look exactly like the Apple AirPods. Well, not exactly, but they're pretty similar. And they're not bad, actually. They retail on Amazon for $55 and they're selling out. So there's a lot of people out there really fond of the Apple AirPods, but they don't want to spend $160 on them. So they're going for the next best thing. These things right here, these zero tones, the user ratings, reviews, all that, they're great. And they're selling out on Amazon for $55. You can't beat it. Listen, I tried it. I liked them. They were good. But I only had one hang up. People couldn't hear me on the other line, on the other end, when I was driving in my car and listening to music or the road noise. So that was the only hang up. No, that wasn't the only hang up. Another hang up was I could only talk and hear out of the right side. It's not dual audio when you're talking on the phone. I want dual audio, so I'm going to have to go and get the Apple AirPods. I could get something else, but you know I'm an Apple fanboy, so I'll probably go and get the Apple AirPods. I'll probably drop that or try to find them on discount somewhere. Somebody got the hook up. Hook your boy up. But these are a great alternative if you don't want to drop the $160 tag. All right? If you don't want to throw them in the bag at the Apple store, you can get them on Amazon. Go Prime. Get them in 2 days so you don't have to wait around. You can check these bad boys out. Now, the audio. The audio is great. It's clear. Bass is good. Treble is good. Highs are good. It's crisp. Some people say it's not as crisp as the Apple AirPods, but who cares? You're going to be listening to your music. You're going to be jamming. I use these in the gym. I've used these walking in the street. Now in the street and in the gym, people can hear me talking on the other line. But when I'm in my car, they can't hear me that well. So it's a no-go. I spend a lot of time in my car. It's a no-go. They got to go. Now for you, it might be your cup of tea. You might love these. And I think you will love them because everybody's not like me. Everybody doesn't want to talk and hear people talk back to them out of both ears. All right? Some people may think it's dangerous. You know what? You hear all the background ambient noise. You can hear everything around you with these in because they don't have gel tips. Stay away from the gel tip AirPods. All right? Stay away from them if you're trying to drive and talk on the phone with both ears because you ain't going to be able to hear anything because those are supreme noise canceling earpods. Okay? Stay away from the gel tips. Get these. They're just like the headphones that come with the phone, with your Apple iPhone. And if you have Android, you can use these too. They're not exclusive to Apple. All right? They're not exclusive to the iPhone. You can use these. You can get your jam on. Great quality, great clarity. The build is nice. Very similar. They're just rectangular, a little bit larger. They're a little bit larger, but they do fit well in the ear. They fit very well in the ear. They may look like some knockoffs, and many may say they are, but the quality is good. The build is good. They look good. It has Bluetooth 4.2, so it's up with the latest technology. Charging time takes about an hour and a half. Not too bad. Listening time, the battery lasts for about 3 to 4 hours. For me, it lasts about 4 hours for me. Some people say 3, I say 4. And talk time, I believe about 5 to 6. And I believe that to be true too because the battery rarely dies. And then you keep it in the charging case. So it charges up anytime you store it anyway. Zero tone. Check them. And I'm going to put them on for you too. Just so you can see what they look like in the ears. Because somebody say, well, put them on. We want to see. This is the left. And this is the right. Look a lot like the AirPods. Apple AirPods. Not bad, right? I say the same. Not bad. And it's a good buy. It's just those 2 little drawbacks for me. I can't keep it. But for you, you probably love it. Hey, until next time, it's been another one with your boy Cool Card on the All Cool Stuff Show. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give me the thumbs up or the thumbs down. Speak your truth. I'll see y'all next time. And tell somebody about it if you like it. Share it. Share it, scary. I'll see y'all. Peace out.
Going to the moon for you. Going to the moon. And I see spaceships and rockets, gold heart-shaped lockets. I'm the plug in the socket. Girl, you know you got me.